Good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now, I've had a right time in getting these packages. The first one that I ordered was from the gundamshop.co.uk, and it came from APC overnight, and I missed the first delivery slot, so I had to rebook another delivery which was supposed to have been today. Luckily I've now got that package, and the other one was from Amazon, but it came by Royal Mail, not Amazon itself. And I was at work on Monday, and unfortunately I missed that package. So I thought I'd go to Royal Mail delivery office yesterday, for 5 o'clock before the shut, and unfortunately it shut at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So I was absolutely annoyed going all that way for nothing, basically. But luckily it would open this morning at 8 o'clock, and on the way to the delivery office I was waiting for the bus, and unfortunately the bus broke down. So I've had a right time, but luckily I've managed to get there, get the package, and I've got both of the packages here now. So we're going to do it in order. So this is the first box from APT, and it's quite a big box. So we're going to get into this and see what's in it. So yeah, I've had a right time of it. Absolutely right time in trying to get these packages back. But now we've got them. I'm going to get some sharper knife. That will not doing anything. So hopefully right, so the first package, and I must say it's very well packaged. So just a sneak peek, that's anything that's in there at the moment. Oh, it's got the packaging stuff in it. So it's like the crisps, but dub it in them. Right. So the first one out of the box, it is SDW Heroes Robin Hood Gundam. So let's have a look at this one. Oh, look at these. So I've got some nice runners there. We've got grey, green and red. And then in this one we've got white, blue and black. And then in the final one, it looks like we've got two green ones and a sticker pack. And then, as per usual with the Gundam model kits, we have the instructions manual. So that is looking absolutely fantastic. Can't wait to build that up. So that's the first one from APC. And there we go. Right, the second one is also SDW Heroes, and it's a Night Strike Gundam. And then last but not least, we have another SDW Heroes, and this one is the Saizo Gundam Delta Kai. Which is absolutely brilliant. So that's the first box done and dusted. And now the second one is from Amazon. So this is the one that I got from Royal Mail. So let's open this one and see what's inside. So we've got a little note from Amazon, which I have actually put myself, a gift from Amazon. I hope you like this gift from Amazon. again. And then another note from Amazon, and that's enjoy your gift. Right, so I'm going to pull the bottom one out, and this is I didn't realise it were Transformers. This one is the Optimus Prime Transformers of the robot 3D model kit. It is a XC-G009HAMP power suit. So I've got another wooden model there, and then last but not least we have the high grade MSM-07S Zegok Principality of Zeon Charles Custom Type Gundam. Now, I've done a bit of research on this, and there isn't another one that's like this, but it's a master grade. Now, they are very similar in comparison with the high grade, but this one is a lot cheaper. So we're going to open all these models and we're going to see how they compare with the SD models. Right, so we've got two runners in there. We've got the first runner is black, white and red, and then the last runner in that pack is black, and then we've got two runners in this one. The first runner is like a red one, like a pinky red, and then it looks like we've got polycaps in there as well, which is the grey ones. And then last but not least, we also have we also have the instruction manual, so we can build that up as well. So it looks like that this one is going to be a nice little kit to build up. So what I'm going to do is compare the SD so this one is the Delta Kai, and we've got two white runners in the first one. We then have two black runners in the second package, and two runners in the last one, which is like a grey black and a purpley pink purpley colour. So with the SD and the high grade, we have more runners in the SD than we do on the high grade. But either way, I've now got at least a backlog of Gundam models to build up. So I'm really happy about all these. And they're all from the Gundam TV series, and again, I've still not watched any of the Gundam series at all. So we're going to leave those there for now, and I'm going to end this video for the unboxing, and we're going to I'm going to start on the Optimus Prime. There will be another video tonight, because I've recently completed the Bugatti Chiron. I did a live stream of the first build, but I got so far on the Bugatti, and then I got confused and couldn't finish it. Off camera, I then checked all the instructions, and I found out that I was missing one piece that I needed for the back, which I've now put together. It's fully made up. So a bit later on, either today or tomorrow, I'll do another video on the Bugatti, and also a new update on my corner unit. So I've now put my models in the corner unit, and there'll be more models going into the corner unit once I've built these up, and the Optimus Prime, which we are now going to be starting on. So thank you very much for viewing, and I shall see you on the next video. Bye for now.